I just got this and it makes me so happy because it really feels good. So I created this journal because I like to be intentional about planning my food, but also tracking my physical and emotional mental state. And I know that there are many probably amazing food journals out there, but I wanted my own, and I wanted to also have something to give to my weight loss clients. So in this video, let me tell you what I like about this journal. First of all, it's large, 10 by 7 inches. The cover is soft and matte, and inside it has cream paper. I like this vintage feel of cream paper. I wanted something that makes me feel happy, makes me want to eat berries, drink lemon water, and the back cover makes me feel cozy with all the herbs and a cup of tea. So it looks like this. The pages where you put your food look like this. There is space for water, vegetables, desserts, and alcohol are in this section because some people struggle with drinking alcohol and overeating sweets. I'm sorry, there are only 5 glasses here. So if you drink more than 5 glasses alcohol a day, just add more. But the intention is to lower the alcohol and the sugar intake and increase water and vegetables. And you know what I forgot? I forgot to put here protein. So in the next version, I'm going to put grams here of protein as a reminder to include protein in every meal. There are really no suggestions, no specific suggestions what to eat. If I'm working with somebody, of course, I'm going to suggest something, but I don't know where you are on your eating journey. If you are working with somebody, that person will suggest something to you. So there are benefits of food journaling here, space for setting intention. That is a page you should never skip, because if you ever will find yourself in a place, why am I doing it, and question it, then you will come back to this page and you will remind yourself why it's important to track what you eat, to be aware and be honest with yourself what you eat. There are general suggestions. I would encourage you to come to this from a place of self-care and positivity and also curiosity. The first few days, you are simply observing what you are doing, and then you draw conclusions. Then for the next 4 days, you are still eating like you have been eating, but you start opening yourself up to new ideas. What would make your meals healthier? From the second week onward, you will start planning your food. So the first week, you are just observing, you are just journaling what you have eaten. And from the second week onward, you would be planning ahead and trying to stick to it. But if you don't stick to it, here's the most important thing. If you don't stick to your own plan, you have to maybe change your plan to something that you can do at this point. You always have time to improve it later on. There is space in this journal for 8 weeks. I thought that this is a good time to get a sense of your eating habits, but at the same time, you don't have the whole year, because sometimes we quit, right? We take occasional breaks. I didn't want you to feel that, oh, I'm supposed to track my food for the whole year every single day. No, it's not true. A journal is just a tool of self-awareness. So you can draw conclusions from your own eating habits. And so you can be honest with yourself. Every week, there are suggestions of what to focus on to make it simple. There are some pages for making notes and planning generally your week ahead. And in the end of the journal, there are suggestions how to measure progress, and also 33 questions related to eating and mindset that have the intention of creating more clarity. I will post a link below, and if you happen to buy it, please make sure to leave a review on Amazon with what you liked about it, but also maybe you have some suggestions. You can say, I wish it also had, and tell me what it is, because I'm going to make changes in the second round.